Good afternoon, students. How are you?
Afternoon, sir.
No, I do three, but place they
Nice.
ask.
You're just asking what?
Sure.
Yes, Solomon.
Sure. No, no, it's Steve, sir. I'm sharing with Solomon from I can't get into my account.
You can't what?
I can't get into my account right now. It's Steve, sir. Steve.
You can't get into your account. Which account?
His Zoom account, sir.
But he's on. I don't understand what he's saying. Tell me what he's saying, Dominic.
Sir, Steve has said him can't get in on his Zoom account for login.
Oh, Steve, because I was saying that Solomon, how you get into your Zoom account and you're already here? All right. Is Steve near you guys?
Steve and Salman the same place.
Sir, I'm okay, sir. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, it wasn't Solomon that was speaking. That was Steve.
Yes, man. Yes, sir.
Okay. Got you, Steve. Yeah. Got you. But all right, do me a favor, Steve. Just click on Zoom and just join a meeting, or use the link and just click on it. It shouldn't prevent anyway, whatever it is. You need to get it sorted because they need it for registration purposes. Dominica, we asked you to change your name. iPhone and put your last name there as well, please, for register purposes. Here, Doms?
Yes, sir.
All right. So do me a favor. I have some questions posted. I want you to attempt those questions. Yes, Solomon, right? Attempt those questions. When you would have completed part A and B, let me know so I can work those. And then now we'll work through part C. Part C is a little tricky. So I just want to work through part C with you. So go ahead and work parts A and B for me, please. I give you 10 minutes at the start, and then we'll see how far you at.
Sir, I'm going to leave and rejoin.
So you're not using the school Wi-Fi?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
No?
See if we can connect now so you can stay on, please. You can disconnect from yours, but see if we can connect to the school's one so you can stay on. Solomon, are you using the school Wi-Fi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. See if you can join the school Wi-Fi, Dominic, please.
Sir, what the difference?
No, because are you using your own data?
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm saying. So you can save your data. But what I don't want you to do is to leave and rejoin, because you may join when I'm doing something. So I want it always to be connected. So that's what I'm saying. Just
No, sir. I the name me I got change.
Oh no. I can change it for you. Oh, I can change it for you. Give me the spelling of the last name.
LOWE.
No man, I can't do that, man. I thought you were gonna leave because you're using something.
Oh no, sir, that at least.
Okay, yeah. See it change there, quick and fast. All right. Oh, because you know. While you work, Steve, see if you can click on Zoom. Okay, what happened when you click on the link, Steve?
Sir?
What happened when you click on the link?
I'm going to click on it now, sir. I don't have Zoom on my phone, sir, so I go to the website.
So download Zoom.
No, that may try about the Wi-Fi now already.
Yeah, I'm sponsor some data for download it.
Oh, Jesus, Dominic. Dominic, please, my big thing. Help him out now, so he can do this stuff, because I need to get his thing registered. All right, so go and help him out, and the rest of them go and work on this stuff.
Steve, for the much for the one. Like I go down him.
Say that again?
When I say fall down, like I come in the gym, fall down, so I give the daytime, the whole time, go and back.
When I trigger, sir, apparently Zoom just let me in, sir. You can see me now?
So I'm seeing, yeah.
Is my name there, sir? Or
No man, I see you. Steve Mendez, I see you. Right there.
oh, okay, sir. Solomon, oh, he stepped out for a while, but he's back now.
Say it again.
Yeah.
Are you see my screen, Steve?
That's it.
Steve, are you seeing the screen?
Yes, tell me. Yes, sir.
The other one. That one is one of
I'm gonna turn on the mic. Hello? Hello? Okay. Hello? Yeah, but it's supposed to I get it. Let me see, I'm on the right one.
Your mic is on, Steve. You're asking how to turn on your mic. Your mic is already on because I can't hear you.
Supposed to work. Maybe Zoom not recognize it. You can control your phone. Huh? Oh, you can hear me? But me can't hear nobody. Yeah, it's a phone. Hello?
Remember, you can't, buddy.
I don't have a proper headphones. I'm gonna for listening.
All right. So are you hearing me, Steve?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because we can hear you and I can hear everything you're saying.
There is
can't
a
hear everything.
headphone. I was trying to use a headphone a while ago, but it's not working.
Okay, so
We
see
did
if we can just turn it down low enough. Where are you? Are you in the library? What's the location?
I'm at the library, sir, with Solomon.
Yeah, man. So just go and do it. Just go and work. I really want us to get through some of this stuff. I'm hearing it clearly, so that's fine. And you are hearing me clearly.
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. On a stay, on a good? All right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. Doms, link up your bridging them now.
Sir, I said?
Link up your bridging them now. Well, Lex there and
Yo,
your other
Flash! Say a shirt here.
I say Dominic, if Dominic load one more time.
Alright. Sir, it's a Kashifa father, sir.
All right, cool.
Sir, him say my download Zoom.
Okay. Yeah, when I make download it because come summer with me, I have to go use more of it.
Yes, sir, I'm doing it right now.
Mm-hmm. You see Lex from morning, Lex will come class earlier?
Boy, sir, me team one at a time, but me know he ain't gone now.
Is that the truth or is that the truth or that's a lie?
True, sir.
Sir, true. Sir, that's what I mean, sir.
Dumb, me know you stay by now, you know.
Let me see you singing something. Yo.
Dominic,
Yes, sir.
what kind of word that you use a while ago?
Sir, I mean. Sir, somebody decide on me.
I'm not gonna laugh. I'm gonna thump in the eye. I don't want those words to be used in my class, boy.
So I choose the outside, so I'm taking a little breeze because the class in them hot.
Yeah, that's true.
Bro, it's take too long for download.
Which one you need to go? You need to walk up and pull down. Only for dog up there, them let the gate go up.
Boy, I zero get for this next. First one.
But all you do is put 5.
What?
X equal -5. All I do is replace x with -5.
Interesting.
You put it alternate root, that brother. That's all for infinity when x approaches infinity.
Oh, yeah, true.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, the same work.
Oh yeah, focus on the word. Where be the
Mine?
yeah.
I could be my.
So I walk one beat.
Yeah, some more my share.
You forget when I didn't make ball out of that, like for each of them.
Who, me? You know, I want.
Well, when I said like, for deal with it, not online
Boy, sir, for the first one, 0, I'm getting now, sir. I know I'll go on for this now. Be a 0, man, I get.
You get 0?
Yeah.
Anybody else finish it?
No, sir.
All right. How far are you? Who was that? Steve?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. I'm gonna Solomon, how far you reach?
I'm done, sir.
All right, cool. Steve, I'm gonna work it. I'm gonna tell you why. You weren't here last week when we did quite a bit of these. We did quite a bit of these. So the topic is really finished. The only reason I am going through this, Steve, is because of you really. And also to give the other students some more or some final practice. So so this is it. I am going to be working. Let me know if you're seeing my writing.
Yes, sir.
Good. Is it clear enough?
Yes, sir.
Right. Remember I did say to you that there is a meeting that I'm supposed to be in. I didn't see the link earlier, but the link just came to me. Say it again, Papa.
What time are you supposed to go to the meeting?
No, the meeting is going on now.
Oh.
Meeting is going on now. I had one this morning at 10 o'clock when I was in that other class. And then now one of them started at 1 o'clock, 35 minutes ago, but I wasn't seeing the link. So the link just came in.
The meeting?
Yeah, but my class come first. Me have no apologies for that. My class comes first, and them know that about me already.
So that's not sound too bad.
Yeah.
And MW.
So I'm gonna join it now. So I am right here with you. But you know, I'm just gonna.
You change it to
All right. So what we're doing here now. What we're doing here now is I am substituting -5, and I want you to work with me here. I'm substituting -5. So when x is equal to -5, I'm gonna have
Progress.
oh, not 5x is 5 times -5. So I'm gonna have 3 5 5 is gonna be 25 plus 11 times -5 minus 20, and this is gonna be 25 minus 25. 23 times 25 is 75, and it's gonna be minus 55, and that's minus 20. And this is 25 minus 25, and this is going to be 75 minus 55 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0, and that's 0. So this is indeterminate. All right, so that's indeterminate. So since it's indeterminate, there's something that I need to do. A rationalization, a factorization, or a simplification. I'm seeing where I have a quadratic in the numerator. I'm going to try and factorize.
So if you factorize the numerator, we'll do for the denominator.
I don't know. Well, I can factorize the denominator as well because the denominator looks like it can also be factorized. So So the numerator, I'm going to say 3x squared plus 11x minus 20. Now, the method is I'm going to multiply the coefficient of x squared by the constant. So 3 times 20 is going to be 60. I need to prime factorize my 60 to get my factors. 2 into 60 goes 30 times. 2 into 30 goes 15. I can't use 2 again, so I jump to 3. Only prime numbers I'm using goes 5 times. And 5 into 7 goes 1. So I need sets of numbers. So when I manipulate, and I think I see it. 5 times 3 is 15. And 2 times 2 is 4. And when I subtract 4 from 15, I get 11. Talk truth.
What's that them say?
So my factors are going to be 15 and negative 4. When I multiply 15 by negative 4, I get negative 60, which is what I want. Because I have a negative 20. I have a negative 20. Multiply by 3. That I'm going to have negative 60. So
Trying to get those 60. Whenever there's an audience, people are going to come out. What if there's something between them? And they're going to use that from us. That's all I see.
So I'm grouping. And then I'm putting those in brackets. So I'm getting, I'm breaking up my 11x. I'm breaking up my positive 11x into these. And then what I'm going to have now is putting 2 of them in one bracket, leave out the middle sign every time. The middle sign is left out every single time. What is common here? That is common here.
So
What is common between 3x squared and 4x?
X.
Very good job. So x is common. What is left?
So you have 3x and 4.
3x minus 4. Very good. Very good. What is common between 15x and 20?
5 and x. 5 alone, 5.
5, and then again have what?
3 to the minus 4. 3 to the minus 4.
3x minus 4.
I recognize whatsoever is in one bracket is in the same bracket. So again, factor that out. So we have 3x minus 4
X
times
plus 5.
x plus 5. Good job. Good job. Right. So let's go now. So look at what is going to happen now. So that's the numerator. Let us look at the denominator.
Yo,
Sorry,
tell him that again.
Yeah.
I'll make sure I step in it.
All right, so the denominator is this is going to be x squared plus 5x. This is x squared plus. What is common between x squared and 5x?
The x.
Good job. And what is left?
X minus 5.
X minus 5?
X plus 5.
X plus 5. So I'm now gonna rearrange. So I'm gonna now have
Right.
the limit as x tends to -5 of 3x minus 4 over x minus 5. And all of that now is going to be divided by, sorry, x plus 5, all that going to be divided by x plus 5. You recognize that this can cancel with that one. You see that?
Yeah.
So I'm going to be left with 3x minus 4. So now I'm going to have the limit as x tends to minus 5 of 3 times -5 minus 4. 3 times -5 is -15 minus 4 is equal to -19. And that's my answer.
Melissa. Melissa.
Let me know if you're with me so far. Are you okay with it? Steve, how are you feeling?
I'm alright, sir.
You understanding? Are you able to follow me online?
Yes, sir.
All right. The rest of you, I know come summer, we will be integrating quite a bit of online for the continuation of the course. Are you okay with what it is that I'm doing so far? Are you understanding? Are you following? Is it clear? Is my writing legible? Let me know. Tell me what I can fix so it is that I can be better at it.
I want everything balance.
Cool. So once HR become aware that a staff no longer contract, their email access to the institution should be reduced. If a person wants to send that message that they can't do so at any time, a person should not have.
Okay. Turn it on and button on, better. So we cancel switch.
because this separation is a part of the job.
All right.
You know, we just have to
Guys,
learn
try number 2 for me now, please.
and, you know,
And then
it is-
I'll chime in another 5 minutes or so. That's okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I scroll up a little bit, please?
recommend that.
Are you finishing this one now?
Okay.
Sir, we get you one -1.
Okay, I hear you. Anybody else?
-3.
Yes, sir.
You try to open a lot of things.
We're gonna need a lot more than that to open an account to be able to serve. Okay, when me saying this is the first time I'm opening an account, there's some things missing. I'm saying most of the things they know, but general. So some things missing.
All right, Doms.
All of us have
We're gonna need a birth certificate.
Doms, you can step away from that noise a little bit, please.
Don't allow this. I care about the board.
Let us go. How far are you, Steve?
Let us try.
Sir, I have -3 as the answer.
Okay, Solomon, you got -3 too?
I'm suggesting that.
Yes, sir.
Good. Dominic, are you sharing your device with somebody else?
Rashif.
Oh, Rashid, okay.
You have said it.
Okay.
And I personally concur with you. However, as I said, what you have said, I believe that this is something that we need to give you the opportunity, if possible, Madam Mills, I don't know possibilities, but to share your concern with the board and to express to them in the same way you have expressed it, teacher, what are your thoughts and how it can be done. And I'm moving close to that sort of engagement because I do believe that in life, all of us at times, will find
Sir, is that your feed?
and that we would
again?
want, some form of.
Is that your feed? There's somebody talking in the background.
No, is a meeting, forgive me, is that loud? Is a meeting that I'm trying to, remember I was saying to you that I'm trying to vacillate, I'm trying to listen in as while I was teaching, which is I didn't want to have a face-to-face today. Because I can manage this a little bit more than having a face-to-face. All right, so what we're doing here, yeah, so sorry, it is my background. So what is happening here, whenever you're given a level to evaluate, and it is tending to infinity, we're going to be dividing through by the highest variable power. Everybody understand and agree with what I have right there?
Yes, sir.
Good.
The matter and I just want to say that were are educated, and if I was to be by the book, that if I'm not saying anything further, there's going to be other persons who will have some questions to answer, very serious questions. Not just one, there's that person have serious questions to answer in order to know. But as I said, you know, when you say compassion, I think that I have questions against those persons, but I can tell you, based on the evidence, I would ask why she was not unsuspected. So yeah, we
Give me a minute here. I'm gonna say something in a meeting. Hold on.
When they open your account, more the months. As the site I like to do an ID. The process. Okay, somebody did this one. The other reference. I can do no matter what. No. No, never. Yeah. Any reference? Never. I never asked. But yeah, it's when you're supposed to know people in TV can't do the jobs. They can't use the family member. But they can't use the family member. Don't make a difference. Friends are.
Recording in progress.
Hold on here, guys. Hold on 1 minute, please. All right.
One is due to people that have not been paid, and maybe
Let's go.
and I don't remember quite the word that she used.
Are you hearing me that? Oh.
I don't remember what.
Sorry, students, I was talking to you. I never recognized that I was muted. Are you hearing me now?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Several persons
All right.
are bodies that have not been paid for them, including myself. So if I don't have to go to the anyway, allow me to finish first. And if you recall,
All right, let's go.
one of the suggestions that we made, let's just say that people are old,
So
that we made first.
whenever you're given the limit, when it is tending to infinity, we are going to be looking for the variable with the highest power. The variable with the highest power. So the variable with the highest power is going to be x squared.
Sir,
Yeah.
wouldn't it be the highest variable of x and the denominator?
Say it again?
Would not be the highest variable in the denominator?
No. Wherever it occurs, numerator or denominator. Wherever it is, numerator or
Alright, yeah.
denominator. Yeah. Wherever it is, Papa. Either the numerator or the denominator. All right, so it's a variable with the highest power. It's going to be x squared. So I'm dividing throughout by x squared. We're dividing through everything by x squared. So it's every term. It's going to be 3x squared divided by x squared. It's going to be 9x divided by x squared. It's going to be 7 divided by x squared. 6x divided by x squared. X squared divided by x squared. All right. And what it is that we're going to do, it's going to this cancel this. This cancels this to give me 3. Hold on. And then this x divided by one of the x's here. So I'm going to have negative 9 over x. So this is going to be negative 9 over x. And this is going to be 7 over x squared. 7 over x squared. And then this is going to be 6x over x squared. And it's going to be 6 over x. This 6 over x. And it's going to be x squared over x squared. It's going to be x squared over x squared. Look at that. Look at this line and tell me if you agree with this line.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, let us look at the. Let us look now at the what is going to happen when as x tends to infinity. As x tends to infinity. As x tends to infinity. Meaning as x gets large and large and large and large and large, this 9 over x is going to tend to 0. This 7 over x squared is going to tend to 0. And this 6 over x is going to tend to 0. So therefore, all I'm going to be left with now is 3 minus 0 plus 0, see it here, so, over 0 minus 0, which is this one right here, so. So 3 minus 0 plus 0 is 3. And 0 minus 1 is going to be minus 1. So yes, I'm going to end up with a negative 3. So congrats, I think all of you got it, but I just needed to work it nonetheless. Are we there? Are you getting it? Are you okay with it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. Let us do something else. All right. Can you try that one for me, please? To determine the points of discontinuity of that function g of x.
It's not on the screen.
Oh, sorry. Thank you, Steve. Are you seeing it now?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. So you're okay. Are you comfortable with the first 2 questions?
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Okay, come. Let's just do the second part of it.
Sir, the answer is negative 2 and 2 and 1 and 0.
And 0. The rest of you agree with Steve? I agree with him to some point, but not fully.
Is anything that make the denominator go to 0?
Mm-hmm. Denominator is equal to 0, but what else do we do?
I'm not sure, so just that one, you know.
All
Make
right.
it discontinuous.
So we're going to put the denominator equals to 0, as you said. So it is either x squared minus 4 equals 0. This is the difference of squares. Agreed? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So it's going to be x minus 2, x plus 2. So either x minus 2 equals 0, therefore x is equal to 2. X plus 2 equals 0, therefore x equals negative 2. All right, so that's one case. And then now we're going to have this is also the difference of squares. So either x plus 1 equals 0, therefore x is equal to negative 1. And x minus 1 equals 0. So therefore x equals to 1. All right. So the points of discontinuity then, x equals to plus or minus 2, and x is equals to plus or minus 1. So Steve, you only gave me 3 of them. X equal to x equal minus 2, and you only gave me one of the x, one of the ones. But it's 4 values that it has.
Okay, sir.
But good attempt though. Are you okay with that one, guys?
Yes, sir.
All right, good job.
Yes,
All right. Let me just ask a question though. Are you guys following what it is that I'm doing? Are you guys understanding what it is that I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
All right, good job. I have one other question to give you. One other question to give you.
That's a way. Okay, ready for the
All right. Anybody ever see a piecewise question like this before?
We're not seeing the question again.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Seen it now though, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thanks for being All right, I want you to try that one for me, please. Just to give you an opportunity to try, and then I will chime in. Are you guys okay?
No, sir.
Okay. So why never say something, man? You know, wait for me for coming, you know, just tell me say you don't understand. All right. How do you know if okay, so we're checking for continuity. It says determine the value of A and B such that A is continuous over the interval from negative infinity to positive infinity. So we want to check to see check for points of continuity. So let me just write something and then you tell me if you agree with me. This must be continuous to this. And then this must also be continuous to this for it to be continuous. True or false?
Yes, sir.
Come on. So what I'm saying is that the limit as x tends to 2 to the left must be equals to the limit as x tends to 2 to the right. And if so, then it is continuous. If the limit as x tends to 2 to the left is not equal to the limit as x tends to 2 to the right, it's going to be discontinuous.
Sir,
Yes, Papa?
the thing is that we only do the one that we used to only have one, only have A, we don't have B in it.
Okay, all right, no problem. All right, that's fine. And thank you for that information. You see, as I interact with you more and more, I'm recognizing, you know, the extent to which you would have gone into this stuff. Just allow me to just do this one here. And hold on. I am going to the course outline as I normally do. This was sent to you guys in. I sent it off to you, don't? That means I have it.
Yes, sir.
All right, let me just check the outline to see if questions of this. Let me just tell you what is happening here. I'm just checking, give me a minute. All right, I found the syllabus. I'm just checking to see that if it is not there, I'm going to erase that question. If it is there, I'll do it and then go further. Piecewise function. Complex. Yes, piecewise function. Determine the continuity of a piecewise function at a point. So that's unit 4, 5. It says I'm supposed to oh Lord. Oh, guys. Differentiate the functions from first principles. Okay, we're gonna state and use a chain product and quotient rule. Fine. Differentiate functions including trigonometry, exponential and logarithmic function. Locate and classify stationary points of functions. Solve practical problems involving maximum, minimal. Approximate small change increments using differentiation and solve problems with the rate of change. Locate and classify differentiate functions. All right, I have a problem. The unit under calculus, it says to determine, it says to evaluate limits of continuous functions. And then it also says to determine the continuity of piecewise functions at a point. And then no, it didn't break out into anything more as to what I should do. Oh, guys, the syllabus, I don't know if the syllabus is incomplete. So, all right, let me just explain something here. So it's because the syllabus did not specifically outline and say XYZ. I don't want me go through this stuff and not give you even one example on this and then something like this comes in the exam. Because if you don't believe me, I want you to just calculus, unit 4 calculus. All right, I'm going to go through the question. It didn't give me anything further to go in to say, yeah. Let me just end it with this one. It didn't tell me how far to go down, so I'm gonna go through it with it. You understand what I'm saying, Steve? What I don't want to do is because the questions that I'm seeing, I don't know if maybe by the time you're supposed to do your exam, the man them put on a 3-part question like this of this nature, and then they're not going to know what to do. So let me do a one question, and then I'll go back and look at the past papers and see how they structure the past papers on piecewise. It's not every year they send a piecewise either. So at least you know exactly what is happening. This value added will not be lost. All right. So just remember now, for the function to be continuous, it means that to the left and to the right of 2, it's supposed to be the same thing. For the other one, if it is that it's not equal, if both sides are not equal, then we say that it is discontinuous. All right. So this is what we're going to be doing now. I'm going to be looking to the left of 2. The left of 2 is x less than 2. Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir.
X to 2 to the left of x plus 4 over x squared plus 2. All right. Now, all I'm going to be doing here is anywhere in the function I see x, I'm substituting 2. So this is 2 plus 4 all over 2 squared plus 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 squares is 4, don't? And 4 plus 2 is 6. So that is equals to 1. So that limit tends to 1. Agree? Disagree?
Yes, sir.
Good. So the limit, watch this one here now. The limit as x tends to 2 to the right. Which function deals with x tends to 2 to the right?
Ax plus 2b.
Very good. Ax plus 2b. Ax. Hey, Doms, talk to me, say you're distracted. Doms. Solomon, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sir?
You're distracted, Dominic. You are distracted. And you cannot tell me that you're not distracted. Can you?
Sir, technically not distracted. Just
Huh? I didn't hear that. What was that?
when I say technically never distracted.
All right, come on. I want to hear you. I want to hear you. I want you to understand what is happening here, Papa. You're doing well enough, and I don't want you to lose this. And it's just a small group of us. It's a small group of us, and we want to do it. And incidentally, the funeral service for Mr. Kelly is tomorrow at 11 o'clock. I'm hoping that I'll see some of you guys there.
Or online?
No, face to face. It's a face. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna have it online. I don't know. I don't know about it online. I'm gonna be there face to face.
So where to keep?
Kingston Open Bible Church.
Oh, somebody else about like they must say the student forgot online or some foolish like that.
Oh, okay, all right. So if you hear that, then leave it right there. So, all right. So this is going to be now ax plus b. Very good, Steve. So what is going to happen is I can tell you now that what should happen in order for it to be continuous, I'm going to have a times 2 plus 2b is supposed to be equals to 1. The same one that this one is supposed to be, that's supposed to be equals to 1. So I'm going to end up with now A times 2 is 2A. So I'm going to have 2A plus 2B equals 1. I'm going to end up with 2A plus 2B equals 1. And that's my equation 1. That's my first equation. All right. Now, my second thing is I need to look now, and I'm going to start with this one first. I'm going to say the limit as x tends to 3 to the right is going to be 2x minus 4. Two times 3 is 6. Minus 4 is going to be equal to 2. It's going to be equal to 2. So the limit to the right is going to be equal to 2. So what is going to happen now is the limit now as x tends to 3 to the left. Which function deals with x tending to 3 to the left?
Three to the left.
2B.
Ax again, very good. Ah, I like the sound of that. Ax plus 2b. And that's supposed to be equal to how much?
1, sir.
No, it's supposed to be equal to 2.
Oh.
So what is happening? These two are related, and these two are related. And if it's going to be continuous, it means that the two of them that are related supposed to have this equal sign right there. Two of them supposed to be equal in order for it to have happened there. Right? Now, look at what is going to happen here. Oh, I'm not finished yet. So this is going to be A times 3 plus 2b is equals to 2. So this is going to become 3a plus 2b equals 2. And that's my equation 2. Do me a favor now. Can you solve those equations simultaneously for me, please? I give you a few minutes to solve these equations simultaneously for me, please.
So first of all, find out. We have anywhere we have not deposited on anything because there is still this issue as to whether persons are available. So if persons are not available, then so it's an opportune time to hear from our executive member whether we should go ahead or whether we should cancel at this. So back over, I will raise that question. I would invite other feedback, whether you feel that, it doesn't make any sense to have it externally and maybe look at some alternative way. I'm not doing anything that, the committee, as the managers of the city, so over to you. Any response, Khalid?
So, okay, I have a question. Since I lack so much understanding in this area, please provide me correct slide. The external stakeholders have to be accommodated externally of the college in terms of geographical location. I just need an understanding. For us to facilitate an external stakeholder, it has to be held at an external place to the college. Is that what you're saying? Mr. Mike, you're muted. You're trying to respond.
Okay, sorry for that. I didn't realize that. No, I did not say that. I did not say that we get the external stakeholders of the external. So I am saying that previous strategic plan, the view is that we didn't get the full sum input of external. The purpose I will do is that all I'm saying to you that the experience we have had after the kicks that they call it is that don't get persons come, they have to go pick up this, they have to leave, and although they were there, they never fully participated. I'm at the conference now, all the way from France have their conference. I know we're ready for this strategic planning, all the way to Montego Bay. Why? Because we want to put that instead of all the and we have some other principals there, and they that only when they come out that they have people full attention because they can't let up because they know whatever. Even if they tell it, no, they don't turn off their phone and don't come out of the meeting. Those are the realities. So if you all feel that it can be done at the college, fine. I have no great desire to go to any other. It's not a personal matter.
Sir, the answer is
So I'm not saying that external persons can't come. They can't come there. But again,
I'm hearing you. The answer is? Answer is?
sir.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Hello.
That's why we need to have.
All right. So I heard Steve. Solomon, did you do the simultaneous equation?
No, sir.
Why? Dominic, did you do simultaneous? We're wrapping up, so don't worry about it. We're wrapping up, man. Dominic, did you do the simultaneous equation?
Don't wanna finish.
All right. All right, I'll give you 2 more minutes. Soon come Steve. Just 2 more minutes.
One time. Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
All right. Finish now, Dums.
Sir, just circle. I don't remember what to do. No, remember.
You don't remember how to do it. All right.
Dr. B, just to add to that, sir,
All right.
I also get what sir saying, the undivided attention that is required and you're so there to all.
Hold
So
on.
we will have to commit to putting things in place, the pickups, those things, because the strategic planning meeting is critical for us to go forward in a meaningful and a more directed way. And it is going to require that kind of attention that causes us to be away from our everyday thing. But there also is the concern of the amount of money you can find something cost effective but as team members, we have to commit to the scheduled time and to just not be engaged in other activities. So that's my thought. Mrs. Secretary. Mrs. Secretary. That option.
All right, so I'm going to eliminate my B's. I'm using the elimination method. So we're going to use the elimination method, and I'm eliminating the B's. I'm eliminating the B's. So I'm going to subtract one equation from the other. So I'm going to say, I'm going to call this equation 1, and I'm going to call this equation 2.
Sorry, just to clarify so everybody's clear. We want to vote on whether we stay here and have the strategic planning meeting.
So 3A minus 2A is A, and 2B minus 2B is 0. Two minus 1 is 1. So A is equals to 1. So we can put A equals 1 into say equation 1. So I'm going to have 2 times 1. Right? So 2 1's 2 plus 2B is equals to 1. 2B is equals to 1 minus 2. 2B is equals to negative 1. So B is equals to B is equals to a half. So the value of A that to make this function continuous is going to be 1. And the value of B is supposed to be a half. So that's what it is. Understood? Yes? No? Maybe so?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. All right. So, can you check your WhatsApp to see if you get the notes that I just... Check your WhatsApp for me, please, guys.
Yeah, man, sir. See.
All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my YouTube channel in the link in the description of the WhatsApp group. And as soon as this recording becomes available, I'm going to upload it. I'll upload it as math. What is it? Is it 1207? Yes, I think it's 1207. Math 1207, so that you can go back and view the recordings. Is that okay? The recording. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So just confirm again. Have you seen the WhatsApp stuff?
Yes, sir.
All right, well, big up on yourself. Anyway, before you go, I want to find out, outside of me vacillating this meeting that I told you that I was going to be in an event, outside of that, with the distraction, how do you rate the session? Because I need to know to see what I can improve on, because come in the summer semester, we are going to be interfacing with lots of these online sessions, and I want to make sure that you can learn from it. Were you able to learn? Was that clear enough? Was it? Were you
Yes,
able-
sir.
Okay.
I just threw the online would have just asleep. Like just sorry.
No, you can't drop. Hey boy, if you drop a CPC, no.
Because sir, when they ask me if I get distracted, I sleep.
Yeah.
I sleep. I'm near a call over and over. I'm gonna end up get up.
Okay, sorry. So that means we need to keep you awake. Then you at home?
No, some of their school up at the student lounge.
Oh, okay. Oh, anybody's with you still, or your name?
Kashif.
Yeah, Rashid, we still with you?
I'm just left for go do something.
Okay. All right, good, no problem. Solomon, I heard from Steve already. Solomon, how you stay?
Still all right, sir.
It's all right? All right. So big up in yourself. We're going to have more of these. Just let me know if you're not following something. Just let me know, because we're going to get through this sojourn and we're going past the exam, right? Please keep these close to your heart. Sorry for the extra pages. It's just that I didn't want to run out of pages, but anyhow, maybe we can continue working on these pages afterwards. All right.
Yes, sir.
All the best. Later, yeah?
All right.
Cool. Thanks for coming.
Yes, sir.